Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Marvel DC Talks and Chatpat Toys. In this video guys, I will give you some information about Marvel and DC. Let's begin. Because really a great shocking news that's coming with DC, that's the Batgirl or that movie has cancelled guys. Yes guys, Batgirl has cancelled that movie. Means the first as I told that I don't think Supergirl and Batgirl will replace Superman and Batman. There will be a Superman, Henry Cavill and also our Michael Keaton Batman. As you guys know, he will be the main Batman of the new timeline that will create in the Flash movie. And also there will be Supergirl or Batgirl, and the Batgirl movie will be canon. But now Warner Bros. Took in a really great step that they had cancelled this Batgirl movie. So actually, seriously, if I talk seriously, then I was not hyped by this movie for this movie, because I only like Superman and Batman, and not Supergirl or Batgirl or this type of female characters of DC. I don't like too much. Yeah, except Harley Quinn and Wonder Woman. But this Batgirl means what I tell, it's not too much give sense at all to me, because they are not too much nice characters. So that's it. So that's why obviously there will be no Batgirl in the new DC universe that will create after Flash movie. So it's a simple thing. And the another thing that Ben Affleck is returning as Batman. As you guys know that in Aquaman 2, The Lost Kingdom, a post was uploaded when Ben Affleck shaved his beard and he was looking like Bruce Wayne character. And I think now he wants to play Batman again. So in Aquaman 2 movie, The Lost Kingdom, very much chances is there that in this movie we will see Ben Affleck Batman. And if I talk about the other DC details, then I will also talk about some Marvel details also, obviously. So if I first talk about DC, then the another thing that is very much doubtful, that the future movies that is coming like Aquaman 2, Shazam 2 and Black Adam, is they will be in the DC new timeline that will create after Flash movie. Because obviously guys, you know that first they had planned that after Flash movie they will they released Aquaman 2 and Shazam 2, but then now obviously time has changed. So are they the canon of the main universe? That means the new timeline that is making. So according to me, the Shazam 2, obviously the Shazam 2 and the Aquaman 2 will be in Snyderverse. Yes guys, in Snyderverse, the Zack Snyder one, Man of Steel, Batman vs Superman, and then comes Zack Snyder Justice League, and obviously then will exist some more movies like Shazam and Shazam 2. But still a confusion is there that Aquaman, I think that Aquaman 2, obviously it will the sequel of the Aquaman, the first part. So but how it will then it will be in our Snyderverse timeline. Because obviously guys, you know that Aquaman movie was connected with our Zack Snyder's Justice League. So that's a confusion. I have also this confusion. Then I don't think actually. I am little confused about it. But yeah, all movies are canon. Nothing is erasing, guys. Snyderverse is in parallel universe and the other in another universe. But yeah, that's true that Shazam 2 is confirmed. I think Snyderverse, this Shazam 2 and Shazam 1 will be in the Zack Snyder timeline, the Snyderverse. And another timeline that they made means very worst, that was our Justice League timeline. So forgot this timeline. I have already told that forgot this timeline. They will not continue it anymore. Now all the contents will come about Snyderverse and the DC main timeline that will create after Flash movie. And obviously a new news that our Ben Affleck Batman is not dying in Flash movie. As you guys know that a new post was uploaded that in the end of the movie, the credit scene, we will see our Bruce Wayne aka Ben Affleck Batman in LexCorp. Yes guys, Lex Luthor's in this that company we will show our Batman or Ben Affleck Batman. Means that's a good thing that he is not dying first. They had thought that they will, means Batman will be killed, but now it's confirmed that the Ben Affleck Batman is not Ben Affleck Batman is alive in the past. So now if I talk about the which are canon, which are not canon, and so if I talk, then first according to me there will be no Batgirl and Supergirl, as I said that in the DC main timeline. But yeah, Aquaman 2, little confused I am, but first I thought that it will be a canon, but now I am little confused because the new timeline Batman will our Michael Keaton. So now not too much confirmed also that Ben Affleck is want to returning as Batman, and really excited. So I think they will make Michael Keaton as their new Batman. So then I think Aquaman 2 is not canon of the DC main universe, because on that movie we will see as a cameo our Ben Affleck Batman. And in Shazam 2, according to me, this movie is in Snyderverse. So yeah guys, little confusing now, but yeah, if you want I can make a fresh video on it because I'm now confused also. But now if I talk about some Marvel fresh contents, then obviously Marvel's Phase 5 and 6 has released that. Obviously guys, you know that the very good projects, that the Thunderbolts, Wakanda Forever, Avengers 5, the Kang Dynasty, Avengers 6. I am really excited for Avengers 6, but it will be coming on 2024 at the end, I think. Our Secret Wars, and also the chances of coming Avengers Eternity War, and also Thunderbolts also, and also a movie is coming, that is Blade. So very cool movies are coming, and with many cool movies also, guys, you know. So I hope Marvel will again grow, because obviously guys, you know that with Thor: Love and Thunder and Multiverse of Madness flop, Marvel is losing its popularity now. But I hope they will make these movies far better. So let's see what happens. But now I think DC has an opportunity to beat Marvel or trigger Marvel, because guys, DC's multiverse is much more better than Marvel's multiverse, and also chances also there that the next Justice League movie, maybe our Justice League 2 or Justice League 3 that are Zack Snyder's obviously vision. So if they come, obviously Zack Snyder may return in DCU and complete his vision in 2026 or 2025. So that time they can, if Warner Bros. Want to restore it, the next Justice League movie will see the Zack Snyder's one. But if the thought that Zack Snyder's vision means he's not returning too much now, he's very much time with Netflix, then I think the next Justice League movie will be in multiverse level. Yes guys, multiverse level movie. Obviously DC is planning to make a Crisis movie, so let's see what happens. Now I think Marvel and DC tour is very cool stage in now. So let's see what happens. But these were our news guys, some important news of Marvel and DC. Hope you like this video guys, and subscribe this channel, like the video, comment, and in this channel you will get many Marvel and DC movie reviews, action figure reviews, their stop motions, online reviews, little DIYs, some superhero gaming gameplay videos, some shorts, comparison shorts of some characters. So subscribe this channel, and now we'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Ta-da!